Welcome everybody to OANDA's weekly FX market update. My name's Craig Cobb from Trade with Precision, and today's the 28th of April. Going through and having a look at some of these charts now and pointing out where I'm looking this week for opportunities. There's not been as much as what there has been from week to week in the last month or so. Having a look at one of my favorite charts right now though is CAD Swiss. Before I go and look at the daily, let's have a look at the weekly, because we've talked about the weekly several times. The weekly here, as we see, back into this moving average zone, move back in, move back in, move back in. Bearish candle, we're now seeing another small bearish candle, and we're looking for the break down through here. As I see the break down through these levels, I can see opportunities for price to really move beyond these old lows and continue on with this really nice strong downtrend. Coming and looking here at the daily, have a look here. If I draw in a horizontal trend line or horizontal level through this point here, you can see we've seen a test once, twice, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so plenty of tests through that level. Now we're seeing price just breaking through there. We've got good convergence on the indicators and a real significant break, because A, it's breaking the support, but B, we're now into a downtrend on the daily, which of course is now agreeing with our weekly chart. So no guesses as to what I'm looking for direction-wise on CAD Swiss this week, and it's shorting opportunities. Now I'll happily go down to the lower time frames, and where I'm starting is going to be at the 2 hour. Why? Because you can see the support level, it's broken down, looking for opportunities for price to move away and pull back up into this level for selling opportunities to join that trend. Now if I look even lower, there's still going to be valid opportunities coming in as well. Note the first time it pulled back up into this level, we've seen a nice sell-off since. Good trading opportunities around this level. If we don't get any more there, it's not to say we won't get them on all the other time frames from the 2 hour higher, because if price moves away, we're looking for opportunities back into this moving average zone below this support level for trading. That's what I'll be looking for. That's how I trade. That's a level that's going to be strong regardless of how you trade throughout this week. The next one I want to go and have a look at on the list is Euro Aussie. When it comes up, here it is, Euro Aussie here. Now if I come up, I'm going to focus on the daily here. Okay, what we've actually got here on Euro Aussie is we had a downtrend, and we've got a high, higher low, higher high. We've got the moving averages, we've got the price action, higher highs and higher lows, now back into an uptrend. I'm not looking on the daily for trading opportunities. What I am looking though for trading opportunities when we get above this level through here. It's not the strongest level, but there is a little bit of a level there. As I work down through the time frames, this is where I'm looking for my trading opportunities. 8 hour, 4 hour, 2 hour, 15 minutes. I'd love to see price get above here, and then looking for trades in around 1.5 would be ideal. Now that could be on a 15-minute chart, it could be on a 2-minute chart, it could be on a daily chart once it gets up through there, but 1.5 is a significant round number. It will be a lovely place for trading opportunities if we see it broken and then pulling back into. Euro CAD is another one. So we've looked at CAD Swiss, Euro was, now we're looking at Euro CAD. So there's a mix of Euros and CADs in here. Again, horizontal level to be drawn in through here. We're just starting to get up through it. It's not as precise because it broke once, twice and 3 times, but we're now clearing all of those highs. I want to see it move away and pull back. I also like how the moving averages, if I zoom in a little bit, they're now starting to fan 10, 20, 50, conducive of strong trends. If I look too at the weekly, what we have is pull back into this zone and moving away, very similar to that of CAD Swiss. I really like this for moves higher. Before I'm looking for longs, I want to see it break these levels with a little bit more gusto, a little bit more passion and a little bit more momentum. If I do see that break, I'll be coming down to my favorite, or one of my favorite time frames, the 4 hour. You can see here it's still a little bit messy. We've got higher lows coming in, we have a higher high. I'd like to see it push on quite nicely and then see pullbacks in for me to be looking to join that momentum to the upside on Euro CAD. Finally, it's Sterling Oz that also comes onto the radar this week. Where is that? Down the bottom. Sterling Oz comes onto the radar, looking at it again on a daily perspective. Okay, we can see here on the daily, it's just a bit more bullish than Euro Oz on the daily. We've broken up through very cleanly, 1.8, round number, it's been broken, it's held above. There's one thing I'm keeping a close eye on here. and there is this support level. Okay, this is why I want to see it confirm. We've got strong support here, 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 here. We're finding resistance at that level now. Now, very similar to that of EuroCAD and EuroAus, I want to see the confirmed break. I want to see it break above nicely. I want to see some strength in this, some momentum that I can really get interested in and really look to join it. Because as you can see here on this chart, it's just not too decisive, is it? It's just a little bit ugly. I want to see it break above. I want to trade pullbacks into the moving averages and opportunities to join that to the long side. Now guys, this week in terms of webinars, we've got a whole bunch for you, a whole bunch of times and 2 different topics. The first one that we've got coming up is Forex in Focus, which is going to be a live trading event with Q&A. Now when I say live trading, I mean we'll be looking at live markets. It won't be a retrospective analysis. It will be very similar to what we're doing right now, but looking across a broad range of markets over a full hour. Now the presenter that will take you through that will answer any of your questions that are coming in and really take you through on a very detailed analysis of the markets. That's going to be April 29th, 2 till 3 p.m. EDT, and then again April 30th, 7 till 8 Eastern Daytime. Second webinar for the week is avoiding false breakouts. This webinar is purely to show you what a good breakout looks like and how to avoid taking the breakouts that are likely to turn and be false breakouts, then turn costing the breakout trader money. April 30 from 2 to 3 p.m. Eastern Daytime, and then May 1st from 7 till 8 p.m. Eastern Daytime is when you can log in and join us for avoiding false breakouts. Ladies and gentlemen, that is my analysis for this week. That is what I'm looking for the week ahead. They are your webinars. Get yourself registered right now. We'll see you on them. Have a great trading week. Bye for now.